Good morning, everyone. I'm being quiet because my mom's still asleep, but here is my senior year get ready with me. The first thing I'm going to do is wash my face with my little spin brush. Not gonna tell you where it's from because it's not sponsored. No, I'm kidding. It's from Vanity Planet, and I'm gonna use the little regular brush head to wash my face. And the face wash I'm using, is this Exposed Skincare Facial Cleanser with salicylic acid acne treatment. Now that my face is all washed, I'm going to be using toner. And right now I'm just using this Mario Badescu Aloe Vera toner. So I'm going to let that dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to... Also, these are in the frame, I just realized. Okay. Pond's Dry Skin Cream. That's what I'm going to do next. Just take a tiny little bit of that because it's pretty thick and rub that all over my face. Then sometimes I'll do an eye cream, but today I'm just not going to do it because my eye bags, they look bad on camera, but they're not that bad in person, so I think I'm just going to skip it. Then I'm going to use this facial spray just to make everything smell good and, you know. Then I'm going to use the Glossier Mango Lip Balm just to moisturize my lips. Next thing I'm gonna do is start on my makeup. Yay. I found my tripod, by the way, so that's why the angle is actually acceptable. I'm gonna start with eyebrows. I just used brow pomade for this from Anastasia. I'm just gonna go through the rest of my makeup. Alright, so these mom jeans are a little bit higher. They cover my belly button, so I think I'm gonna put a belt on these and call it an outfit. I have this black belt with silver on it, and I think that'll look good. I don't know. So for earrings, I always switch up my earrings for school, and I don't know what earrings to wear today. I'm gonna do something silver to match the hardware on my belt. I'm just gonna go with these silver hoops. And last year, I would literally just roll out of bed and go to school because it was junior year and it was hard and I didn't have any energy. But now that it's senior year, I go in a lot later than I used to. So if I went in at the regular time, I wouldn't be doing any makeup or like a cute outfit. I just kind of roll out of bed, you know? And then I'm just wearing a lavender scrunchie on my wrist. Yeah, call me a visco girl. This is my final look. I kind of wish I would have kept my hair in the braids. I kind of wish I would have kept my hair in the braids, but whatever. I think it's cute like this too. I'm also wearing Minecraft socks with the dogs on them, by the way. No, not on the table. Get down. Get down. Jasmine's over there. Basically, I forgot to film an outro for that, but thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want. Sorry that was like an old video. It was from the second or third week of school, and right now it's almost second semester.